lunch! Fizzy, catch!
Welcome to the Fizzy Show! Fizzy, is it lunchtime yet? Okay, Phoebe, what shall we have? Loads of sandwiches! I think we need more of a mix than that. But we don't have any ingredients. Paw Patrol, I have a rescue mission for you.
You can't catch me! Chase is on the case. Woohoo! Did I hear the word rescue? And mission? I heard lunch. Lunch.
We need a healthy and balanced meal, but we don't have much time. So let's see who can collect the lunch ingredients the quickest.
Race you! Hey, no fair, you got a head start. Fizzy, catch!
Peanuts aren't one of our 5 a day, but good try, Sky.
Okay, I'll keep searching.
I think we're gonna need a hand. Miss Hands!
Hi, Fizzy. Hi, Phoebe. Whoa, we've got a bit of a mess here.
We are making a 5-a-day lunchbox.
Well, even though peanuts are not part of our 5 fruit and vegetables a day, they do make a great sandwich. So let's turn these peanuts into peanut butter. And since we are making a Paw Patrol themed lunchbox, let's cut our sandwich into the shape of a dog's bone. Look at this cute little cookie cutter. First, let's spread out peanut butter. Then we're going to close up our sandwich like that. Give it a little press. Press it down, press it down. And use our cookie cutter. Start up here. We have room for another one.
Are those dog bones?
They are, Chase, but they're for the lunchbox.
Oh, okay. Can we share the crusts?
Of course you can.
Yay!
Okay, guys, off to the lunchbox.
I found a banana.
Oh, good job, Rubble. Now, a banana is one of our 5 a day.
Woo! We could do a rainbow fruit section.
Great idea, Phoebe. Let's cut this banana up and put it in the lunchbox.
Woohoo!
Oops, runaway blueberries.
Don't worry, Chase is on the case. Yeah! Miss Hands, my truck is struggling with the weight of this red pepper.
Oh, Marshall, let me help you with that.
Thanks, Miss Hands. I'll drive it to the lunchbox.
So what do we have next?
Whoa! I hope it's something tasty.
Look, Miss Hands, I found a carrot.
Oh, that's great, Zoomer. Let's cut out some shapes.
Hey, look what I found! A watermelon!
Good find, Sky. Thank you.
You're welcome!
Good job, everyone. This lunchbox looks really tasty. And I have another treat for you. Oh, Rubble!
Well done, everyone! As a treat, we have chips!
Woohoo! You completed the mission in time, and our winner is Rubble for the quickest delivery of a banana.
Rubble on the double!
Does this mean it's time to eat? It sure does.
Paw Patrol Rescue Lunch mission accomplished!
Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a fizzy fantastic day. We will see you next time.
All together now! Fizzy! Wizzy! Bo Busy Bop!